All right, we're out with the MiG, and it's another crazy windy day. Oh, that's not on straight. Put that on straight. All right, let's throw a hat on my head. We're gonna do some wind flying with the little MiGy. See what happens. Kind of really windy. It's 10 degrees Celsius out and windy. It's chilly. Kind of wobbly. Right to the sun, of course. Wow. I sit right here and do loops all day. Wind just keeps pushing it back up and over. The loops all day long. Get some downwind going here. The rocket ship downwind in this. Upwind not so much. It's full speed and it's barely moving. It's full stick. Crazy gusts are whipping along. Brought the Tidewater. Was going to fly it. First time in a long time, but I decided, yeah, I'll put that back in the truck. Wow, is that just ripping? Holy crap, that was fast. I think that's as fast as I've seen this thing go yet. Cool that battery off a bit. Kiting a MiG. Keep going for the rudder. Doesn't have one. Throttle off. Oh, in the long grass we go. Oh, that was a bit of a bounce. Let's go check her out. We got a glove in the middle of the field. That's mine from the other day when it was so cold. Pick that up. I think the grass right here is pretty much dormant now. Doesn't need cut or anything. Lawnmower's gone. Brr. Got tears coming down my eyes. I wonder how hot she is from that. Whoa. Yeah, it's hot. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe and all that goodness. Ciao for now.